the teaching on Zoom due to technical fault and the weather condition. We ended some basic aspects in the chemistry. Today we are looking at areas that are common to both further mathematics and general mathematics. There are selected topics that are in general mathematics at the same time they are in further mathematics. And these topics cut across. When you are at first year, whether you are doing BEd or basic sciences, you must have to go through these things. The accounting students, those who are preparing again to study accounting in year one, must be able to go through these ones. Those intending to do engineering courses, they must do them under the pre-calculus. And one of these key areas is logarithm. If you can recall, one of the classes actually we went through basic indices. So today we are looking at pure logarithm, and that one is theorems of logarithm. It becomes theorem of logarithm. Theorem of logarithm. So if it is theorem of logarithm, that means what we normally call this theory is just like rules. What are some of the steps or things you do in order to get correct figures? When I go through the theorems of logarithm, I will be able to solve questions in whatever way I want. For instance, a particular question will be given to me. I will use up to 8 methods to solve that question depending on all the theorems. So cumulatively, we are looking at 7 to 8 theorems here if the time permits us. We'll look at 7 to 8 theorems. When we are able to go through all the 8 theorems, you can solve whatever question given to you, you can solve it using the 8 theorems. Now, before we start looking at the theorems, there are basic things you should know. For instance, if somebody writes this one, which is log, the simple form of logarithm is log, because we don't have time to be writing logathm. We will not have that time to be writing that. So we just say log. Now there are two figures that will appear. We have a figure that is at the top here, and we have the one that is down. The figure that is at the top is known as the log. That is the log value. Log value. And this one that is down here is known as the base. That is known as the base. So if I write an expression this way, it means log 5 base 2. If it is in the form